wow.
Let's learn about vowels. Vowels make the sounds that make up the words that we use every day. Are you ready to go?
I'm so excited.
Doggyland friends, let's learn some vowels. Doggyland friends, let's get down. Doggyland friends, let's learn the sounds. Let's learn the sounds of vowels, of vowels. A, E,